Let's thank God for His blessing because you all are still healthy to follow the lessons given by your teacher for today. Well, my lovely students, at the previous meeting, you have discussed about people's achievement. Now, let's go to the next lesson. You can open your government book, page 15. It is chapter 2 about why don't you visit zero. In this chapter, we are going to talk about the usage of if clause. But before we go further, let me tell you the goal of learning of our lesson for today. The goals of learning of our lesson today are: the first, the students are able to identify the usage of if clause to tell imperative, suggestion, warning, dream, or general truth, both in spoken or written language. The second, the students are able to apply the usage of if clause to tell suggestion, dream, warning, general truth, or imperative. Well, students, let's see the following slides for further information.
English lesson grade 12. Well, students, today we are talking about if clause. If clause is a sentence created with a condition. So, you create this sentence if you want to say a condition of something. For example, if you visit Bali, come and have sunbathing in the beaches. If you plan to get scholarship, you should study harder. Next, we are talking about some sentences that can follow if clause to tell the condition. The first is if clause plus imperative. Imperative means command or instruction. So, you create an if clause to tell someone to do something. The pattern to form the sentence is if plus present tense followed by verb infinitive plus object. For example, if you are fond of coffee, try the best coffee in coffee crowd. Next, the second, if clause plus suggestion. So, the if clause will be followed by a suggestion. Suggestion means you ask or recommend something to do. The pattern to form the sentence is if followed by present tense and then subject plus should plus verb infinitive. For example, if you want to see improvement, you should have more revisions. The second pattern, you also can use why don't. The pattern is if plus present tense, why don't plus subject plus verb infinitive. For example, if you want to get good price, why don't you go to the factory outlet? Well, the third is if clause plus reminder. So, you use if clause sentence to tell a reminder. For information, reminder means you ask someone to remember to do something. The pattern to form the sentence is subject plus present tense followed by subject plus have to or must plus verb infinitive. For example, if you want to pass the test, you have to study harder. Well, now we are talking about the fourth one, if clause plus general truth. General truth means something that is real. So it is really happening. The pattern is if plus present tense followed by subject plus will plus verb infinitive. The example of sentence is if the sky is dark, it will rain soon. Well, that is the fourth one. Now we are going to the fifth one. If clause is also can be followed by a sentence to show dream. Dream means a wish or something you hope to happen. To form this sentence, the pattern is if plus present tense followed by subject plus will plus verb infinitive. For example, if I am elected as a president, I will waive tax for poor people. So students, that's all the explanation.
Well, students, I guess that's all for today. At the end, let me conclude that if clause is a clause that contains conditional sentence and it can be used to tell suggestion, dreams, general truth, warning, or imperative. I guess that's all, students. See you on the next meeting. Goodbye, everybody.